Hey so fam, on today's video I'm going to talk about my new collection, my new fashion collection, which if you guys remember my 2021 sewing intentions video for the new year, I said I was going to be doing more of. So without further ado, let's start on with the tutorial. And I'm not going to put this in any order whatsoever. I'm just gonna pick and tell you guys what I have. But the other thing is that I'm not really set in stone right now for what I'm going to do, so we're just going to go along. Just follow me and get the idea. All right, if you didn't know, this is a Chinanja sewing space where you learn to sew and style the wardrobe of your dreams. And let's dig into the fashion collection. First things first, it is going to be an Ankara collection, and I also said this in the video that I wanted to sew more Ankara pieces. So I'm sewing Ankara pieces, I'm sewing separates, and I'm doing a fashion collection. 3 birds, 1 stone. That seems fabulous to me, don't you? All right, let's get it. I've rambled enough. First things first is this Ankara print. It is a border print. I don't know if you guys can see. Put it right. It's a border print, and I don't know, in Nigeria we give each other Ankara like as presents, as ashwebi for weddings. So this was the ashwebi for my brother's wedding. It's very, very nice. So I intend to make some pair of pants with it, but not just any pants. I'm going to make the back with this part of the border, then one part of the front leg with also this part, but I'm going to switch it up and put this part of the border print on the front part of the other leg. I'll put up pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's just and it's going to be high-waisted as well. I just feel like that type of mix will be nice in my wardrobe. Okay. And secondly, most of these Ankara prints I did not buy, right? I really want to like cut down on my stash, so these are from my stash. If I have to buy something, I will, but I haven't decided to as of now. Okay, now this other print is another border print, but it's a yellow. It's yellow, if you can see, and like yellow is my favorite color. So this, I just thought I'd make a simple gathered mini skirt, even though they're all 6 yards. These ones are 6 yards, they're full, right? So there's going to be some leftover. Then maybe I'll just make like a top with long sleeve and elastic arms, elastic on the bottom, you know, just like a top to go with the skirt. But I do want the skirt because I have a maxi skirt. I have a maxi gathered skirt, which luckily for you guys there's a tutorial on it. I'll put it in the cards for you guys. So I just figured gathered maxi skirt, gathered mini skirt, right? Okay, moving on. Now, before I introduce this next Ankara piece, I'd like to say that in Nigeria, Ankara like has a trend. There was a time it was Ankara and scuba, you know, mixing Ankara and scuba that was in. Then there was a time it was Ankara mixed prints, you know, mixing Ankara prints. Then there was another time it was Ankara and organza. That's just recent here. But now it seems like it's Ankara and velvet. So I am going to use this. This is another very, very lovely, I don't know if you can call it, it's probably a border print as well. It's a border print as well too, but you can see it's geometric, if you can see, right? And I love it so much. It's from Vlisco, which they make very, very nice Ankara prints, and the Ankara is very soft, you know, very good, high quality Ankara. So I'm thinking of making this with some velvet, but I don't know yet. I'm making something really grand with velvet, so I don't know if I'm going to pick, you know, I don't know what color to pick from the velvet, whether I pick the orange, the peach, the gray, or even this. Let me see if I can find bigger parts of the color. Yeah, or even this brown. So I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious this time around, so that's why I haven't bought the velvet, because I wasn't sure which velvet I wanted to use. Now, next project. This Ankara is another it's another fabric that was given to me as a shwebi for my brother's wedding, and I haven't sewed it up till now. I know, bad girl. So, but I've made a top from it. I'll see if I can put a picture of me in the top. It's one of my most favorite, most worn tops, but because of it's a directional print, because of the print, I have had my eye on a couple of designs that I wanted to sew, but I haven't done it. But this time around, I'm really going to get into sewing. It's going to be a dress, and I'll insert pictures of the dress so that you know, and you can see why I'm excited to sew it up right now. Okay, then okay, this is another ashwebi fabric, right? It is another, it's got prints on it, and it could be directional. Okay, it depends on how you placed it when you were sewing. But this is an ashwebi for my friend's father-in-law's burial, and like the guy was like 102, 105 or something like that. So it's more of like a celebration than anything. So I'm going to make two things out of this if I can. The first thing is going to be a dress, and I'm going to put I'll show you the dress now, and I'm going to put some velvet trims on the dress to see if I can also tie into the whole velvet thing. Then the second thing I want, which I have been absolutely dying to make for years now, is this coat, right? This long, what do you call it, kimono jacket kind of thing. Sorry, but I want mine to be bucket style, right? I'll also insert pictures of that one for you guys. So like at the end, it's like a banana. I don't know if they call it that banana shape, right? Then, as if that wasn't enough, there's also this trend to mix Ankara with striped fabric, right? So I'm also going to insert a picture with you for you guys. So imagine this and the stripes. Okay, it's a blue and white stripes, not, or maybe it's black and white, I don't know, but it's coming up blue. I think it's more blue than black. And this, just to bring it out. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think, because I'm very excited about this project as well. Okay, next project is this. Is another directional print. This is another Vlisco. I think this is Vlisco as well. Yeah, it's not Vlisco, but it's Dutch, right? It's another directional print. I have already used part of the fabric to make palazzo pants, and I really love the palazzo pants. So I don't know really. Like, this is part of the ones that I'm not sure what I want to make. I don't know, maybe a top, maybe a skirt. Maybe I'll just make a pencil skirt, right? Because I only have like one Ankara pencil skirt, which is unacceptable. So maybe a pencil skirt, play with the lines or something, right? Yeah. So this is another full 6 yards of Ankara that I bought. This isn't directional, but it is a very busy print. Okay, sorry if you see me looking, I'm just looking at my laptop just to see how everything is looking. It's a very busy print, and I want to sew something grand with it, but I'm not sure what it is yet. I don't know if it's going to be a skirt and top side type situation, or if it's going to be a gown. Probably a skirt and a top, and maybe I might add some organza organza bits to it, just to, you know, make it more versatile. So please, you guys, tell me which color of organza should I get. I really don't want black because I feel it already has enough black, and I'm not really a black wearing person. So, and I don't know if the yellow would be too much, so maybe the pink or the blue or even the white, you know. So please, in the description, tell me what you think. Okay, now this is another ashwebi for another brother. I have 3 brothers, you know. So this one was full, but my mom, I had to give my mom like half of it, so it's 3 yards remaining, but that should be enough for. I was really thinking of making a jumpsuit with it because it's another directional print. A really nice like free-flowing jumpsuit. I don't know. Now that I have my pants basic block, I'm all about the pants right now. So yeah, tell me, you guys, if you have any suggestions for just an easy, really easy breezy pants jumpsuits. I actually have one in mind. I'll put up a picture and show you guys, but I don't know. Just look at it and tell me what you think, if you think it's nice enough. So like the remaining of the Ankara pieces I have are like serious leftover bits that I don't know if they would make one whole thing by themselves. Okay, so it has to be like a mix kind of thing, right? Okay, let me show you guys what it is I was talking about. You see this this Ankara print. I also made palazzo pants with it, right? So I think what's left is like 2 yards or something like that. Okay, so I was thinking of making, and this is also like leftover bits. Seriously, like just look at that. Leftover bits of a project that I made. I'll put up the picture. They're just like long bits. Okay, so I wanted to make a skirt, you know, that I've been dying to make for a while now, but I'll show you a picture of this. So I'll use this part as the top part of the skirt. The skirt has a ruffle at the bottom, then use this as the ruffle, you know, like the ruffle has 2 layers, so make this the top layer of the ruffle, then whatever fabric I have left from this will be the second layer of the ruffle. Okay, because I think it will go well because they have like white and black, a whole white and black thing going on there, and I feel this burnt orange color will make a nice contrast to the whole thing. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. Like, will it go right? And if you guys can see in all of this, I have not talked about the top, and that is so bad. That is really bad. So I was thinking this, I also made a skirt and a top, and there isn't much left of it, right? Again, yellow is my favorite color. This is from Daviva, right? So this I was thinking of making a top with, but I'm so like confused. I don't know what top to make, right? I'll show you the top I was thinking of making with it, and I don't know if I'm going to like add in, if you see the top, you understand what I mean. I don't know if I'm going to add in like any of these two to make a nice mix and match thing going on, right? So yeah, that is all I have for the Ankara fashion collection. Like I said, the traditional fashion collection would dictate that things you know, colors match and go together. But like I said, I wanted to shop my stash, and like my stash wasn't that cohesive. I'm finding Ankara pieces that are all cohesive was so the thing that is bringing them all together as a collection is the fact that they're Ankara. Okay, so like I said before, let me know what you guys think in the description. Do you like the collection? Do you like my ideas so far? And yeah, let's keep on sewing and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.